Idaho, and so that means that it's pretty breezy all the time, and so we don't get much time to get out with the bush plane. So we got jets today, and we're gonna go fly out on that bridge. Pretty cool spot, and we're gonna maybe try and get some air-to-air between the two jets, and that's it. Let's go.
Now I'm standing here hungry and I'm ready for action. So let me tell you, I'm ready to jump right back in, back in. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah, I'm ready to go again. Yeah, I'm ready, I want you to know. Yeah, I'm ready to go again. Ready to go again.
I just dove off. That was so cool looking. Okay, I'm gonna dive again. That was just too cool. My battery's dead, dude. I can't climb. Did you see how close I got to just dying right there? That was a sweet landing. I don't know if these cameras caught it. They like turned off or something.
Now I'm standing here hungry and I'm ready for action. So let me tell you, I'm ready to jump right back in, back in. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah, I'm ready to go again. Yeah, I'm ready, I want you to know. Yeah, I'm ready to go again.
Oh, dude. Is it there? Oh, I got so lucky. I think we got that on camera. Dude, I just barely shorted that. Hopefully I didn't bust up the camera too bad. Alright, we're gonna wrap this one up here. Make sure you like and subscribe. Maybe even watch some of our other videos. I think there's some cool stuff you might find. See you later.